Okay. Everybody ready? I'm going to count. In 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Pour it on in and then remove your hands. Perfect. Good job. You can see it's doing a physical change, all right. Now, let's see if perhaps it's done anything in the heat department. So I'm going to get you to pick up your heat gun now. And you're going to do the same heat measurement you just did, but this time you're going to point it at the bottom of the bubbles, and we're going to see, is that temperature different? What do we got? Shout out some numbers. What are we looking at? 40.4?
33.8.
33.8? What do we got over here? 37 and climbing? What do we got? 41.6. So I would say it's probably warmer, in some cases almost double. So we're going to set that heat gun down for a second, and we're going to look at what just happened with our eyes here. Physically in front of our eyeballs, what happened? Somebody tell me what you saw. What did you see happen? It exploded a little bit, right? It kind of bubbled up, right? Well, that bubbling that we saw is the exact same moment that our Ki grabbed onto our H2O2 and pulled it apart really fast into water and oxygen. So it created all that water and oxygen that filled all that soap, and then it created a bubble fountain. But why did it get warmer? What happens to you guys when you go for a run? You get hot, right? You get sweaty, maybe? It's because you're using a lot of something that starts with the letter E. That's right, you're using a lot of energy. In chemistry, energy equals to heat. So anytime a lot of energy is being used, you're going to generate a lot of heat. In this case, it takes a lot of energy for our Ki to pull apart our H2O2, which means by doing that, we create a lot of heat. So what do we think exothermic heat means then? What do you think that could mean?
Heat comes out.
Do you think perhaps it means that it's giving off a lot of heat? Exo means external and thermic means heat.